How to calculate moving average in an Excel chart. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can calculate moving average in an Excel chart. Okay, let's get started. So we have date and we have cells, and let's create a chart. Select the range, insert, and from the chart I'm going to select scatter chart. Okay, now here is our basic scatter chart, and now if you want to add a moving average to this chart, there are two ways. The first one is to select any data point and right click, and here you will have trend line. You can click here, or you can click on this plus sign, and from here you can get the trend line also. Click on this arrow, click on more option, and here we have our moving average option. Okay, now our period here is 2, and you can change that, and if you change here your chart will change. Okay, so we want to keep the moving average period into 2 days. So this is our moving average for 2 days. Now close this. This is how you can add moving average to your chart. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.